New at 10 here now with more analysis of the pandemic. Dr. Ali Hassoun, infectious disease specialist at Huntsville Hospital. Thanks for joining us again tonight, Dr. Hassoun.
Thank you for having me.
So we just heard about the new CDC support for COVID booster shots. Should we expect booster shots to be a once or multiple times per year thing, like a flu shot?
So from the current data, if you get a third booster shot, it looked like the immunity will be much prolonged and the protection much prolonged. Of course, it's too soon to tell how long that's going to be, but it seems with a third shot, as you space these shots, you're going to get a longer protection.
Earlier this week, you talked to one of our reporters here at Way 31. In no uncertain terms, you strongly advocated for vaccine mandates for some groups. So go over again who you think should be required to get this vaccine and why.
Yeah, so, we continue having significant issues of transmission, replication, and the worry is mainly mutation. So to control that, we're going to need to increase our vaccination rate. And even though we had ongoing issues of infection, but it seems the vaccination is the only way to reach the prevention. So, for example, if we can implement it and mandate it in places where there is a higher exposure, meaning in healthcare facilities and, for example, businesses where there is crowds more and exposures more, supermarkets, restaurants, these areas where there's a higher chance of transmission, with vaccination mandate, you can cut down on that transmission and mutation.
So Huntsville hospital numbers continue to drop. We're thankful for that, but we've heard from some experts that because so many people are in the hospital dying, that's why the numbers are going down. Should we be optimistic about these new numbers?
I think we should be optimistic in a way because we definitely reached where ICU beds were completely full, the hospital completely full, and you needed double occupancy for beds and stuff. So we're seeing reduction in that. Unfortunately, part of that is related to higher death rate we've seen with the Delta variant. But I think at the same time, we've seen reduction in cases of infection. My main concern with all this is as we get improved, we're going to see another surge again because our vaccination and prevention method is not the best at the moment.
As always, we appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. Dr. Ali Hassoun, Huntsville Hospital infectious disease specialist. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much.